Oh,
Yeah!
FBI! Did you hear the door?
Yeah.
Who's here? Who's here? It's the boogeyman. Hey, you brought something.
What is that? What is that thing?
What is this thing? Well, I guess we better open it.
We're gonna go open the door.
Ready? Everybody's up. Everybody's up. Okay, you can get it. You can take over. It's open.
How do you get this?
Pull it out. Eat your Wheaties. Pull it.
MODULUS! The MODULUS. Oh yeah. MODULUS!
What's that?
That's the thing. The
Pistol grip.
Yeah. I was hoping for that for so long. So long.
Your scissors again.
It's my favorite Nerf gun. It's all in there right now. There might be some new Nerf guns that might come out that I might like.
This one is something else, but this one
Yes.
he's in love with this one.
I'm so loving this. I'm so loving this. Yeah.
Open that. It's a different kind of style.
Oh, I want one. These are parts. It comes with 20. Let's go.
Probably 12. I don't know.
12.
This is only a 10-round clip, so maybe 20.
I feel so good. This needs batteries.
Yeah, it needs batteries.
Yeah, batteries.
What's that?
Scope. What?
What goes on there?
Stop. Yo.
You can put the pistol grip on. Goes up here,
Yo.
so you can use it like this too. You don't even have to put the rest of it on, do you? Kind of looks pretty cool this way. Which way does this go? Smarty pants. Gotta be smarter than a piece of plastic.
Yo.
So I'm in trouble.
MODULUS. This is the MODULUS. Scope.
Stop.
Down. Down.
It's huge.
RECON.
Big time. Gotta be smarter than your
Cut.
toys, guys, and I'm not doing so well right now.
Yo. RECON.
Oh, 'cause it goes that way.
Yay.
See that?
Get on us.
And the cool thing about it is you can take this, right? You can take this off. You can put the Recon's barrel on there if you want to. And then you can take the Recon's shield, get rid of the scope.
That was okay.
I'm just showing you.
I know what I learned. Let's go.
You can change stocks with that one and this one. This stuff's weird.
You put batteries in it?
Those flipping, all that stock flexes. Oh, that's different. That's different, isn't it? See how that flexes like that? Because it's a good thing you use, so don't break it. You can put this stock on there.
12 the bullet.
Put that stock on there. Just switch them around. Looks like you could put this in here too, see? You got an extra clip on that one too. It's just flexible. It's really strange how I Nerf did this one this way. See that? It flexes. It's very strange because then the contours is kind of a different type of setup.
Yes.
Okay, well you do that, Zenny. I'll go get some batteries so you can try this.
Yeah, batteries, right?
As soon as I figure out where they go.
Now, guys, this is the Recon. So, to take this clip out, see, you can't take it out. So you have to do this and do this. There. And it comes out with the mouse clip.
Which part comes with the Recon?
Huh?
Which parts are part of the Recon? Is part of the
This and this.
Recon? Oh, can you show to our friends how it's gonna look like if we put them together?
It's gonna look like
Please.
this. I'll show you.
Okay.
So it's in this, and then this stock goes here. Shield goes here, and then this goes here. It's gonna look like that. You put it all together. It's gonna look like there. That's what's gonna look like. It's all together. Got it?
You want the stock on it or you don't want it right now?
No.
Let's try it a little longer. Wow.
I want to see if it's going on.
But then you can also take that off, right, and use the other barrel. Or you can take it off and not use any barrel.
I'm going to see the fully auto.
It's not fully auto, it's semi-auto.
Let's see, really.
I have no idea. I'm pretty sure it's semi-auto.
I'll try.
You can try it though, I don't know. I know the regulators.
Oh.
Hey, why do you put that?
You have to send see?
Yeah, semi. I think all guns should be semi. We'll let them in. Guns are a waste. Yeah. See, this stock works better on this one.
I'm using the mouse for a
It's
battle
only
now.
in a video.
Yeah. Yeah.
See how you can change stocks? Mommy,
Yes.
from one to the other. Why do you sound like a teacher? Yes. That's why Zanny likes these guns, because he can change things around, adapt from one type to another. So if he wants to have a different stock on one, he can add it to make it look different for different barrels. He disappeared again. See, Zanny, you can put that on the Recon. I think the Recon looks better than this. Good job. Yeah.
Next. Do that.
Mm-hmm. Why you keep loading one shell?
I'm having a bound.
Up to the window. Stuck it to the window. Yeah, just stick it to your forehead.
Get it up! Get it up!
Oh! Yeah. FBI!
Wait.
That hurt?
Wait!
What? Don't take a piece of meat, you lazy. Couch potato.